Welcome back to Technical Skills Learning. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to successfully navigate the job application process. Applying for a job is an important milestone in your career journey. In this video, we will walk you through each step of the process, providing valuable tips and strategies along the way. By the end of this video, you will equipped with the knowledge and confidence to effectively apply for your dream job. So, let's get started. Step 1, self assessment. Before you begin your job search, it is crucial to assess your skills, qualification, and interest. Take some time to reflect on your strengths, weaknesses, what motivates you. Determine the type of job and industry you want to work in. This self assessment will help you target your job search more effectively and align your skills with the right opportunities. Second step is job search. Once you have a clear understanding of your skills and interests, it is time to start looking for job openings. Explore various channels such as job board, company website, social media platforms, and professionals networking site like LinkedIn. Utilize search filters to narrow down your option and find position that align with your preferences. Remember, a focused job search increases your chances of finding the perfect fit. Prepare your resume. CV is a crucial tool that showcases your qualification and experiences to potential employers. It is important to create a professional and well structured document, highlight your relevant work experience, education, skills, and achievements. Tailor your resume for each job application to emphasize how your background aligns with the specific job requirements. Pay attention to keyword and make sure your resume stands out from the competition. Write a cover letter. Some job application may require a cover letter. This is your opportunity to express your interest in the position. Explain why you are a good fit for the role and provide examples of how your skills can benefit the company. Customize each cover letter to align with the specific job and company you are applying to. A well crafted cover letter can greatly enhance your chances of getting noticed by employers. Gather relevant documents. Gather relevant documents. Apart from your resume and cover letter, there might be other documents required during the application process. These include transcripts, certification, or a portfolio that showcase your skills and qualification. Make sure to gather all the necessary documents in advance, ensuring they are up to date and readily accessible.